The Cerakote Ceramic Headlight Restoration 10 vehicle bundle makes it quick and easy to restore foggy yellowed headlights back to like new clarity. We designed this bundle for high volume professional use with a simple 3-step process that delivers professional grade results with no power tools required. Plus, unlike other kits on the market, Cerakote's true ceramic technology creates a durable UV resistant barrier that helps prevent your client's headlights from fogging up again. And believe me when I say, this kit is one of the easiest and most profitable upsells that you can offer to your customers. Now, it is important to note that it's imperative that you complete the exterior detail on the customer's vehicle prior to starting the headlight restoration process, because the Step 3 ceramic coating wipes cannot be exposed to moisture until it's fully cured. Now, to start off with, we recommend popping the hood and masking off the paint around the headlights. This protects the paint during the sanding process. However, if you notice any chipping, bubbling, or signs of the paint being compromised around the headlight, you can touch the tape to your pant leg to weaken the adhesive prior to sticking the tape. Or you can even skip the taping process altogether to prevent the paint from peeling off. Put on a pair of gloves and grab your Step 1 oxidization remover wipes. You'll need a minimum of 2 wipes per headlight, and these wipes are most effective when used in a circular scrubbing motion on the headlight. The purpose of these wipes is to greatly reduce the amount of sanding needed to remove the rest of the oxidation. Once the oxidation is removed, the surface needs to be wet sanded. You want to start with a 2000 grit sandpaper to remove the deeper scratches and imperfections. We recommend sanding in straight horizontal strokes across the headlight while using a spray bottle to keep the sandpaper well lubricated. And keep sanding until the entire headlight surface has a nice uniform finish. A pro tip is to take a microfiber towel and dry the headlight to verify that you didn't miss any spots. Then switch to a 3000 grit sandpaper and repeat the process. The final step is to finish sanding with the 3000 grit Trizac finishing pad, which will create the perfect surface profile for the ceramic coating to bond to. Once you're all done sanding, you can now give the headlight a good rinse before drying it off thoroughly. This is the time to remove the tape, as the water will be trapped underneath. Now, one thing to note is that the coating will fail if it comes in contact with water, so it is extremely important to get the headlight and the surrounding area completely dry. We recommend using an electric leaf blower or using compressed air to force out any excess water hiding around the headlight. Now, when using the Step 3 ceramic wipes, the ideal temperature is in that 60 to 75 degree Fahrenheit range. Start making straight uniform passes across the headlights, and we found that a 50% overlap between passes is perfect for consistent, even coverage. Now, with these wipes, you want to do just one thin, uniform coat, and even if you do miss a spot, it is very important that you touch it up immediately as you're still applying, and if you do get some on the paint, just keep a towel handy to wipe it off as you go. Once it starts to set up, there is no adding, removing, or fixing the product without sanding down and repeating the process. Now, once you're all done applying, the next step is to let it dry. So, after application, you want to keep the vehicle out of the rain or fog or any potential water sources. But after 30 minutes has passed, the vehicle is ready to be delivered back to the customer. Now, in case you didn't know, when you join the Cerakote Pro Team, which is our authorized network of detailers and headlight restoration professionals, you get access to exclusive pro pricing on this kit, as well as premium marketing materials like this foggy headlight brochure. The Pro Team was designed to help you book more jobs, attract more customers, and ultimately grow your business. Thank you guys for watching, and if you'd like to get access to the Pro Team marketing materials and exclusive Pro Team pricing, head over to CerakoteCeramics.com and apply to the Pro Team today.